Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you find Chrome downloads on Android. So guys, at first to find the download location you need to just go to Chrome. Now click the top right this three dot icon and click on downloads. Now click this gear icon. After that, here you can see the download location. It is on files and download. So for that you need to go to your file manager. Now after going to your file manager, if you want to find the file location, you need to just type the file name. So click the top right the search icon. Now just type the file name, just like I'm searching for this. Here you can see I am searching for this and it is in front of me. So guys, that's how you can find Chrome download on your phone. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.